Forex has got a strange reputation. Some people believe it's a scam and others believe it's an easy way to make money from a laptop while sitting on a beach somewhere. But the truth is, both of those ideas completely miss the point. Forex trading is neither a scam or easy money. It's simply a financial marketplace, the largest financial marketplace in the world, where currencies are exchanged every single day. And like most professional fields, success in that marketplace comes down to skill, discipline, and understanding how the game actually works. But here's the massive problem. Most people who enter the Forex market never get taught the truth about it. They get taught marketing, they get shown screenshots of profits, they get sold strategies, but they never get shown how the industry actually works behind the scenes. So in this video, I want to walk you through the reality of Forex trading, because I want you to start looking at it not like gambling, but like a professional skill. Part 1. Forex is just currency exchange. At its core, Forex trading is incredibly simple. Forex stands for foreign exchange. It's simply the process of exchanging one currency for another, and that happens all around the world constantly. When companies trade internationally, when tourists travel abroad, when governments buy assets overseas, currencies are exchanged. And because currencies are constantly being exchanged, their values are constantly changing and fluctuating. And that constant market movement is what creates the Forex market. Retail traders like us can simply speculate on those changes in price. If we believe one currency will rise relative to another, we buy it. If we believe it will fall, we sell it, and that's it. There's no mystery behind it. It's simply speculation on exchange rates. And the scale of this market is enormous. Over $7 trillion are traded in the Forex market every single day now. That makes it the most largest and most liquid financial market in the world. Part 2. Why most Forex traders lose. Now this is where we need to address the uncomfortable truth around Forex trading, because most traders lose money in Forex. Not some, most. And depending on the broker, somewhere between 70% and 90% of retail traders lose money consistently. But it isn't because the market's impossible, and it isn't because trading's a scam, it's because most people approach trading the wrong way from the beginning. They come onto the market with the wrong expectations and they think trading's about predicting the next move. But more importantly, they think that they know what the market's going to do. Or they think it's about finding the perfect strategy, and they believe that they can turn a few £100s into a fortune within a few weeks. But for professional traders, don't approach the market like that at all. They approach trading as a probability business. They know that they'll lose trades. They know that they'll be wrong regularly. And instead of trying to avoid losses, they focus on managing them. Because in trading, survival comes before profitability. Part 3. The real role of a broker. Another truth that beginners misunderstand is the roles of the broker. It's a complete lack of education, in my opinion. A broker is simply a company that provides you with access to the market. They give you a trading platform. They provide price feeds. They allow you to execute trades. But brokers aren't your mentors. They're not your partners. They're a business. Their revenue typically comes from spreads and commissions, so they want you to trade. Now, in some cases, some brokers might even take the other side of your trade. That means that if you lose money, they profit. And that isn't a conspiracy. That's actually legal right now. It's simply the business model of certain types of brokerage firms, which is why choosing the right broker is incredibly important. I don't recommend brokers to anyone because people are crazy, but I'll put the link to the broker that I use in the description. I've done a whole video on how to analyze whether a broker is a good broker or not, and you can go and check that out right here after this one. It's going to be worth an hour's worth of your time. But regulation, transparency, and execution quality matter far more than flashy marketing or bonuses. Part 4, the leverage trap. One of the most dangerous aspects of Forex trading is leverage. Leverage allows traders to control large positions with relatively small amounts of capital. For example, with 100-to-1 leverage, a trader with £1,000 can control a position of £100,000. Now that sounds exciting, but leverage amplifies losses just as much as it amplifies profits. It's a double-edged sword. A 1% move against a heavily leveraged position can wipe out an entire account. And that's exactly how most beginner traders' accounts disappear. They're not destroyed by bad strategies, they're destroyed by excessive risk. Professional traders treat leverage very, very carefully, and beginners, they treat it like a shortcut. Part 5, trading is a skill. Another truth that people rarely hear is this: trading is not a shortcut to wealth. It's a professional skill. Learning to trade is very similar to learning any high performance discipline. It takes time, it takes repetition, it takes experience, and you would never expect to become a surgeon in a few weeks. So you wouldn't expect to become a pilot after watching a few YouTube videos, but a lot of people expect to become profitable traders within months of watching Instagram. And that expectation alone destroys trading careers more than anything else. Because when reality doesn't match the expectation, people give up or quit before the skills develop properly in the first place. Part 6. What actually makes traders profitable? So what actually makes traders profitable? If it's not strategies and it's not prediction, what actually separates profitable traders from everyone else? Well, it's 3 things: risk management, consistency, and process. Profitable traders understand that their job is not to predict every move in the market. Their job is simply to execute a system repeatedly whilst managing risk. They treat trading like running a casino. A casino doesn't know the outcome of the next hand, but it knows over thousands of hands the mathematics works in its favor. That's exactly how professional trading works. It's not about the next trade, it's about the next 1,000 trades. Forex trading isn't magic, it's not a scam, and it's definitely not easy money. It's simply a financial marketplace where disciplined traders apply skill, patience, and risk management to generate long-term returns. So most people fail not because the opportunity isn't there or doesn't exist, but because they approach it with the wrong mindset. If you treat trading like gambling, you'll be a gambler and you'll eventually lose. If you treat it like a professional skill, something that requires patience and discipline and structured learning, it can become an incredibly powerful tool. And that's the real truth about Forex trading. Now, if this was hard to listen to, but a bit refreshing, then hopefully I've captured your attention. And if you really want to learn how to do it the right way, I highly recommend checking out tier1trading.com, or maybe my 30-day trader challenge, where you can just get your feet wet without putting in some ridiculous financial investment when you don't even know it's for you or not. So I'll leave those links in the description and in the pinned comment. And until next time, let me know in the comments if you want more videos like this, or if you're enjoying these at all, and I'll see you in the next one.